YouTube, what is up? Welcome back, and you have read the title of this video. I am working on a new game, a simulator game. So a whole bunch of UI right here that is going to go into the game, obviously. And this is part 1. So stay tuned for part 2, part 3, and so forth, because this game will be a process, a journey, and I want to document this and take you guys along with me. This is going to be quite fun. So yeah, let me show you guys the HUD first of all, because I think that is that's the first thing you see. Basically, you hop in a game. Actually, the loading screen, which I have right here, got a little B icon. But anyways, basically this game is called Bug Swarm Simulator. Alright guys, just a very quick announcement. Our store link is down below. We have tons of free templates, PSCs, UIs that you could download. We also have paid products that you can purchase if you would like. Right here you see Studio RBXM. We are going to be loading this with products that you could open straight away in Studio, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it. You have pets, except all your pets are bugs, insects, and use your pets to attack mobs. You level up your pets and get new ones. So this is the loading screen, but once you launch into the game, the HUD, the heads up display is the first thing you see, and the thing that's constantly on your screen. So we have a coin section with a plus icon. This will lead you directly to the shop. We have gems, and here are 8 buttons right here. We have the pet index, leaderboard, teleport, rebirth, trade, codes, settings, and backpack. Now codes, obviously I would like to use the Twitter logo, but unfortunately Roblox moderated the image, and apparently you can't use the Twitter logo for your UI, so that's that. Let me show you guys the inventory. Here is the inventory right here. I have the text disabled because I was exporting the assets into Studio. So let me re-enable the text so you guys can see what is going on here. There's quite a bunch of text here. These two, where are the... Alright, let me show you guys the layers right here. If you take a look at the right side, there is yeah, it gets pretty messy when you're making not complicated. This UI is not complicated in design, but when you are making a UI for a game, there's lots of things you have to account for. So I don't know even why is this thing out of place. Probably a misclick somewhere, but take a look here. There are so many layers, so many groups. The X button you open up here. You have the text for it as well. You have all the effects here. If we open up the effects, it'll be even more messy, more to look at. The scroll bar, items, inactive button, search bar, right here, power level, recall button, pet info, pet frame, side box, background, blocks. These are the actual pet frames. We have the locked indicator, so equipped indicator for the pets that you have equipped, and this right here is an example of a colored square would indicate the rarity of a pet. We have visit shop, and we have the amount of pets that you have with a plus icon to, I guess, increase space, or it will lead you to the store as well. So let me show you guys the rebirth. It's quite simple. Rebirthing will reset your stats. You need blah blah blah. You need a certain amount of coins, and a button. We have the codes. I also disabled the text here. This is not what I want to do. Okay, follow, and we have a title here, which is right here. Codes. Follow. Enter. Type in. You would type in your code. Hit enter. Obviously. Anyways, right here is the bug shop, and this is what you see when you walk up to a machine. This will pop up with the pets that you can the pets that you can roll from the certain machine. Right here we have two buttons. We have auto roll and roll 1. So it's quite simple. It will tell you the rarity and chance of getting each pet. The settings quite simple as well. We have music. It's supposed to say on, off, music, sound effects, quality, particles, trade, and see other pets. We have the pet index as well. I'm using these are placeholder images. Ignore that. You received just a very generic frame. This was the old style that I was trying, but it didn't really look too good. So yeah. Rewards. The rewards frame here. We have teleports. I personally like this dark theme much more than the regular. Here is the leaderboard right here. Yeah, I like the dark theme for this one much more. Dark theme, we have the trade list. As you can see, we have the trading frame, so you're going to be able to trade your pets. We have just some buttons here, but yeah, basically this is the full UI here. Index, leaderboard. But yeah, anyways, that is going to do it for this first part. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2, because in part 2 I'm going to show you guys some in-game, I guess, or in studio. I'm going to show you guys the map that we have in progress, as well as some pets, some mobs, and just the basic gist of what's going on. Just a basic preview of what's going on. But yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned. Thank you for watching and tuning in to this video. It's getting kind of late, and I would like to sleep. So yeah, I appreciate all of you guys for your support. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time.